Hello and welcome everyone. It's day 9 of doing 1 push-ups for every 1000 views I have received in past 7 days. So in past 7 days I have received around 36,625 views, which results into around 37 push-ups. So I will try to do 37 push-ups today. So keep watching. So as I said yesterday, I had to do this in 2 sets today because I had a muscle strain 2 days back. So in first set I did around 20 push-ups, in second set I did around 16 push-ups. But as soon as I recover, I will try to do all this in one set itself. So keep watching, please hit like, follow, share so that I get more views and I have to do more push-ups. See you next time. Bye. Tada.